Strauss-Kahn denies pimping charge at Lille trial. Former IMF chief Dominique Strauss-Kahn has denied committing any crime during testimony at his trial on charges of pimping in northern France. He told the court in Lille that he had taken part in only rare orgies, saying there had been no wild activity. Mr. Strauss-Kahn is accused of helping procure sex workers for a prostitution ring based at a hotel in Lille. The one-time potential candidate for the French presidency has said he did not know the women were prostitutes. Although using prostitutes is not illegal in France, supplying them or assisting in supplying them, island prosecutors have been quoted as saying Mr. Strauss-Kahn, 65, played a pivotal role in facilitating the orgies, describing him as the party king. If found guilty, Mr. Strauss-Kahn could face up to 10 years in jail and a €1.5 m pounds 1.13 m fine. He did it for fun. As he took the stand on Tuesday, he said, "I committed no crime." He also said the sex parties he had attended had been few and far between. As he arrived in court earlier, 3 topless protesters from the feminine activist group jumped on his car, with pimps, clients, guilty painted on their chests. They were taken away by police. The former IMF chief, widely known by his initials DSK, is expected to give evidence for 3 days, and has not attended the trial since it opened on February 2, when his appearance attracted widespread international media attention. The day before he was due to testify, an ex-prostitute named Mohammed described how she had been paid €900 £690 by a businessman, David Bouquet, for what she had been told would be a small party. When she explained how she had been with one person at the party, she was asked who that was. "With DSK," she said. Mohammed's evidence is expected to play an important part in the trial, as the prosecution tries to prove that he knew she and another woman, Jade, were prostitutes. Mr. Bouquet, aged 46 and one of the men who organized the parties, said on Monday that he had taken part for professional purposes. It was important for his construction business and it enabled him to have contact with Mr. Strauss-Kahn, he told the court. He did it for fun. "We had some lovely evenings," he told French radio earlier, adding that 5 or 6 couples would be involved. Among the 13 co-accused are luxury hotel managers, a lawyer, the former police commissioner and a brothel owner nicknamed Dodo the Pimp. They face charges of aggravated pimping, while the former head of the International Monetary Fund is accused of using his business contacts to hire women for sex parties in Paris, Lille and Washington. It is the latest sex-related allegation to trouble Mr. Strauss-Kahn, who stepped down from the IMF after being accused of attempted rape by a hotel maid in New York in 2011. The charges were eventually dropped and he reached a settlement with the maid, officials say to Diallo. 2 other cases against him, concerning allegations of sexual assault and gang rape, have already been dropped.